So here we have the Audi A3 on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we've got plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through the controls as I mentioned from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the center, you can see the digital readout for the speedometer. You can change that information. So first of all, you can change the information displayed directly below it, as you can see, for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information. But you can also change the main display. So now, for example, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 57,407. And you change that information with the buttons just here. We've also got our stereo controls. We've got our phone controls. We have cruise control. And then into the center, the main screen for the stereo. So the menu we're on at the moment will allow you to change the drive select for this car. So you can do it on the main screen here, but we've also got a physical button for that, which we'll come to in a moment. Beyond that, of course, we have the usual features, radio, etc. Firstly, the movement that I'm making on the screen is being done using this dial. The left and right buttons relate to the left and right hand sides of the screen, which I'll show you in a moment. And you can go into certain menus on here. So, for example, we will now be in our radio menu or our main menu. So using the dial, we can rotate, push it down when you want to go into a menu. Use the button that takes you to the left, and you'll see we've got FM, DAB and AM radio available. When it comes to listening to your own music, we've got a CD player, SD memory card input, USB input, auxiliary input, Bluetooth audio as well. So loads of ways to listen to your music.
All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video.
Audio,
if you'd like to come see the car for
make
yourself and have a test drive,
we have satellite
please feel free to
navigation.
give us a call here at Surrey Specialist
Colour
Cars.
screen
We'd
just there.
love to
It's
hear from
also
you
worth
soon.
noting you can shut that screen down completely should you wish to, and that is done with this button just here. Next to which is the drive select button, which will bring up exactly where we started a moment ago. We have our hazard warning lights. You can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which will save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows. We have our dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the driver and passenger temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine where you'd like the air distributed once it enters the car. As your air conditioning off, back on again, or hit auto, the car will then take full control for you, which you can hear it doing, to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for, and you can override that whenever you wish to. We have a 12-volt charging socket, 2 cup holders, the gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox. We then have the main volume for the stereo, the controls I went through just a moment ago, and then lastly, an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.